Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in your Windows 11 computer, on the bottom right of the taskbar over here you see show desktop option, but right now here you can see Copilot, but there is no show desktop option. So if you want to get rid of Copilot and if you want to get that show desktop option, then please follow the steps shown in these videos. For this, open Windows settings and then go to personalization, scroll down and then click on taskbar. Scroll down. Now click on taskbar behaviors. Now over here, scroll down and here you can see the option which says select the far corner of the taskbar to show desktop. Now once you put a check, now if you go on the bottom right, when you take the mouse cursor here, you can see show desktop option is back. So you have to put a check over here. Now if you want to get rid of Copilot from here, in that case you can just when you scroll up on the same page here, you can see Copilot in Windows. You can turn this off and the Copilot icon will be gone and you should be able to see show desktop. When you click on it, you should be able to see desktop. So this is how you can get the option back. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.